Looking for the smartest space-saving kitchen gadgets that will instantly declutter your counters and make cooking easier? You're in the right place. After reviewing tons of innovative kitchen tools and comparing real-world performance, I've handpicked the most effective options, from compact organizers and multi-use tools to clever storage solutions that maximize every inch of space. These picks are perfect for small kitchens, busy homes, or anyone who wants a cleaner and more organized cooking setup without much effort. Hit that subscribe button for honest kitchen gadget reviews and smart organizing tips. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. Superger Baker's Rack. This Superger Baker's Rack gives you a powerful mix of storage, organization, and convenience. It features 6 sturdy tiers that hold everything from a microwave to coffee supplies and larger kitchen items. The built-in power outlets make it easy to plug in appliances without searching for nearby sockets, perfect for small kitchens. With 12 S-shaped hooks, you can neatly hang mugs, utensils, or towels, keeping your counter free from clutter. The wire basket adds extra space for fruits, snacks, or smaller kitchen essentials. Its rustic brown finish brings a warm, stylish touch that blends easily with modern or farmhouse kitchens. Despite its tall structure, it feels incredibly stable and strong enough for heavy cookware. Whether you're creating a coffee bar, organizing appliances, or expanding storage, this rack delivers both beauty and function in one practical design. Number 2. Reel-In Undersink Organizer. The Reel-In Undersink Organizer is perfect for maximizing hidden space in your kitchen or bathroom. This 2-tier slide-out design makes accessing items simple and quick, even when stored deep inside the cabinet. The pull-out shelves glide smoothly, helping you reach cleaning supplies, toiletries, bottles, or tools without bending or digging. Its clean white finish works well with any decor, keeping your cabinet looking neat and tidy. The compact size fits easily under most sinks, even with plumbing pipes. It comes as a pack of 2, giving you double the storage right away. Installation takes just minutes with no special tools required. Once set up, the structure feels sturdy enough to hold heavy bottles without bending. This organizer is a great solution for keeping clutter under control and turning unused cabinet space into a smart, efficient storage area.
Number 3. Ninja Combi Multi-Cooker. The Ninja Combi Multi-Cooker makes everyday cooking faster and easier with its impressive 14-in-1 functionality. Whether you want to air fry, bake, roast, slow cook, broil, or steam, this machine handles it all in one compact design. Complete meals can be ready in as little as 15 minutes, perfect for busy schedules. The stainless steel exterior looks modern while staying durable over long use. Inside, the controls are simple to understand, so switching between functions feels effortless. It includes 3 helpful accessories that support a wide range of cooking styles, from crispy fries to tender, slow-cooked meals. Cleanup is quick thanks to the non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe parts. Despite its power, it fits nicely on most countertops without taking too much space. For anyone who wants speed, convenience, and versatility in one appliance, this multi-cooker is an excellent all-in-one solution. Number 4. Broad and Taylor Folding Proofer. The Broad and Taylor Folding Proofer is a smart tool for anyone who loves baking or slow cooking. Its precise temperature control makes dough rise perfectly every time, giving better results for bread, pastries, and homemade yogurt. The foldable design is one of its biggest strengths. It collapses flat for easy storage, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. When opened, it provides a stable and warm environment that stays consistent throughout the proofing process. You can also use it as a slow cooker, adding versatility for soups, stews, and gentle cooking. The clear lid lets you monitor progress without interrupting heat or moisture. It feels solid and well built with simple controls that beginners will find easy to use. Cleanup is straightforward since the tray and interior surfaces wipe down easily, a great choice for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts.
Number 5. Tuco Portable Range Hood. The Tuco Portable Range Hood is designed for quick, clean air filtering in compact kitchens, RVs, or indoor cooking setups. Its triple-layer filtration system, polymer, aluminum, and activated carbon, captures smoke, grease, and odors with impressive efficiency. With 3 adjustable speeds, you can control airflow depending on what you're cooking, from light simmering to indoor BBQ or hot pot. Despite its strong performance, it operates surprisingly quietly, keeping your cooking area peaceful. The built-in oil collection cup gathers grease neatly, making cleaning fast and simple. Its lightweight, portable design lets you place it on any countertop or move it between rooms or vehicles. Perfect for apartments, small homes, and RV kitchens, this compact hood improves air quality without requiring installation. It's an excellent option for anyone needing smoke control without a full built-in ventilation system. Number 6. InstaSeal Vacuum Sealer. The InstaSeal Vacuum Sealer helps preserve food up to 5 times longer, making meal prep and storage far more efficient. Its compact, upright design saves valuable counter space and is easy to store when not in use. This sealer handles everything from meats and vegetables to soups and marinades without spilling thanks to strong sealing power and smart liquid-safe design. It's also great for sous vide cooking, creating airtight bags that help food cook evenly and stay flavorful. The machine is straightforward to operate with simple buttons, making it suitable for beginners. It comes with 12 durable bags, allowing you to start sealing right away. Quiet during operation, it won't disturb the household. Whether you're reducing food waste, preparing freezer meals, or sealing ingredients for sous vide, this vacuum sealer delivers reliable performance and consistent results.
Number 7. Buzini 3-tier dish drying rack. This Buzini 3-tier over-the-sink dish rack gives you maximum drying space without using valuable countertop area. Its tall, expandable stainless steel frame is rust-proof and built to hold a large amount of plates, bowls, utensils, and even pots. The 3-tier design allows excellent airflow, helping dishes dry faster while keeping water from pooling on surfaces. Because it sits directly above the sink, excess water drains instantly, keeping your kitchen clean and dry. The expandable width ensures it fits a variety of sink sizes, making it suitable for most kitchens. The sleek silver finish adds a modern touch that blends easily with stainless steel appliances. Despite its size, assembly is quick and tool-free. This rack is perfect for families, small kitchens, or anyone who needs extra drying space without cluttering the counter. Number 8. iVac Pro Touchless Vacuum. The iVac Pro Touchless Vacuum delivers fast, hands-free cleaning for kitchens, salons, and pet areas. Its automatic infrared sensors detect dust, hair, or crumbs the moment they get close, instantly activating the powerful 1400-watt suction. This makes sweeping simple. Just sweep debris toward the unit and it handles the rest. The bagless canister holds a large amount of dirt and empties easily without any mess. The black exterior looks sleek and fits well in modern spaces, while the compact 20-inch design sits neatly against walls. It's ideal for pet owners, busy kitchens, or salons where hair collects quickly. Because it's corded, suction stays strong without fading. Whether you're dealing with food crumbs, dry spills, or pet hair, this device keeps floors clean with almost no effort. A smart cleaning upgrade for anyone who wants fast, touchless, and reliable everyday cleanup.
Number 9. Extra long electric warming tray. This extra long electric warming tray keeps food warm, fresh, and ready to serve during parties, buffets, and family meals. The 40-inch by 12-inch surface provides plenty of room for casseroles, platters, appetizers, and desserts. Full surface heating ensures every dish stays evenly warm without cold spots. With 2 temperature modes, you can choose gentle heat for delicate foods or higher warmth for heavier dishes. The built-in thermostat maintains stable heat and prevents overheating. Its slim 1.18-inch profile makes it easy to store when not in use, and the stylish gold edge adds an elegant touch to any dining setup. The tray heats quickly and wipes clean after use, perfect for gatherings, events, or holiday celebrations. Whether you're hosting a big dinner or preparing a family buffet, this warming tray keeps food tasting its best for hours and makes serving effortless. Number 10. PUSD-on Over-Sink Dish Drying Rack. The PUSD-on Over-Sink Dish Drying Rack offers adjustable and spacious dish organization while saving valuable counter space. Its expandable design fits sinks between 26 and 38 inches, making it versatile for many kitchen layouts. Built from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and maintains a clean, modern look with its black finish. The 2-tiered structure provides plenty of room for plates, bowls, utensils, cutting boards, and even cleaning supplies. Water drips directly into the sink, keeping your kitchen dry and clutter-free. Assembly is quick and tool-free, making setup simple. The rack stays stable thanks to its strong frame and balanced weight distribution. Whether you have a small kitchen or simply want better organization, this oversing rack helps maximize space while keeping dishes neatly arranged. A smart solution for efficient drying and everyday kitchen convenience.
Number 11. KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment. The KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment transforms your stand mixer into a powerful food prep machine. With the commercial-grade dicing disc, it creates fast, uniform cubes of vegetables, fruits, and firm ingredients, saving time during meal prep. The wide feed tube handles larger pieces, reducing pre-cutting, while the sharp blades make slicing and chopping effortless. It attaches securely to your KitchenAid mixer and operates smoothly without wobbling. Cleanup is quick thanks to the easy-to-remove components. This tool is perfect for cooking enthusiasts who want consistent cuts for soups, salads, salsas, and meal prep recipes. Its strong build ensures long-lasting performance, and the compact design means it stores easily without taking up extra space. If you already own a KitchenAid mixer, this attachment adds tremendous value and makes food prep faster, neater, and far more efficient. Number 12. Joseph Elevate Carousel Set. The Joseph Elevate Carousel Set brings smart organization and a modern look to your kitchen. This stainless steel 6-piece set sits on a smooth rotating carousel, giving easy access to spices, seasonings, or small essentials. Each container seals tightly to maintain freshness and prevent moisture from entering. The rotating base saves counter space and keeps your ingredients neatly grouped in one place. Its sleek stainless steel design blends beautifully with modern and minimalist kitchens. The containers lift out easily for refilling and cleaning, making everyday cooking more convenient. Whether you're preparing meals or organizing spices, this set keeps everything accessible and visually tidy. A practical upgrade for cooks who want quick access to essentials without cluttering countertops.
Number 13. GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaner. The GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaner takes the work out of scrubbing dirty grill grates. Simply place it on the grill, press a button, and let it handle the rest. Its nylon brushes rotate quickly to remove grease, burnt residue, and food particles without scratching the surface. The included carry case makes storage simple and protects the cleaner when traveling for barbecues or camping. This robot is ideal for frequent grillers who want a clean cooking surface without the usual hassle. It works on most grill types and delivers consistent results. The compact design is easy to handle, while the automated cleaning saves time and effort. A helpful tool for keeping your grill fresh and ready for the next cookout. Number 14. Gaius Metal Pantry Cabinet. The Gaius Metal Pantry Cabinet offers reliable storage with a clean, modern look. Its sturdy metal construction supports pantry items, cleaning supplies, or home essentials without bending. The two doors open smoothly to reveal 3 adjustable shelves, allowing customized storage for tall bottles, small containers, or bulk items. The white finish brightens any room and blends well with kitchens, dining rooms, bathrooms, or living areas. Its freestanding design makes it easy to place anywhere, and assembly is straightforward with clear instructions. This cabinet helps keep your home organized, reducing clutter while providing plenty of vertical storage. A great addition for anyone needing extra space for everyday items.
Number 15. Vicello Narrow 4-Tier Storage Cabinet. The Vicello 4-Tier Narrow Storage Cabinet is designed for small spaces that need extra organization. Its slim shape fits easily in bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or hallways while still offering impressive storage capacity. The 4 adjustable shelves let you customize the spacing to fit toiletries, cleaning supplies, snacks, or laundry items. Smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move around, and the anti-tip feature provides stability and safety. The clean white finish gives any room a bright, tidy look. Assembly is quick and beginner-friendly, with all parts clearly labeled. This cabinet is ideal for apartments and homes where every inch matters. A practical solution for maximizing storage in tight spaces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You'll find all the featured products linked in the description, with the latest prices and exclusive Amazon deals. Got a favorite gadget or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart and keep exploring amazing gadgets.